Are you looking for the best LED pods in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best LED pods that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Nylite ZH0102PCS 4-inch 18W Flood LED Light Bars LED Work Lights. Not only do these pod lights add illumination, but they are recommendable when driving in foggy seasons since they are extremely bright. The lights have a reflector cup that reflects the light illuminated to achieve a wide and further illumination. The lights are adjustable to an angle of 45 degrees so that you can direct the lighting in your preferred direction while on the road. You will not need to purchase extra mounting hardware once you purchase these pod lights, as they come with all the accessories. The package has wires and mounting brackets. At number 4, Akhmak 4 Pods LED Rock Light Kit. The Akhmak pod lights are compatible with most vehicles to always interchange to use with different vehicles. These are pod lights safe for use in all seasons since they have quality materials crafting. The outer casing has waterproof materials such that you can still install these lights in rainy seasons. A pack of the pod lights has 4 lightings, with each having 3 Cree LED beams for ample illumination. Another thing I love about these pod lights is that they are energy efficient since they only work at 9 watts to provide perfect illumination. At number 3, LED Pods Light Bar 4-inch 14400 LM White Fog Off-Road Light. If you are looking for pod lights that you can use during the foggy and rainy seasons, these pod lights are an excellent choice. These are lights you will use throughout the year since they have quality IP68 waterproof materials. Even when the pod lights illuminate for long hours, rest assured they will not get damaged as they have a cooling fin that keeps them cool throughout. Thus, they are estimated to have a lifespan of 50,000 hours. At number 2, Pack 2 Nicoko 3-inch 18-watt LED Work Light Bar Square Pods. For people who may need smaller pod LED lights to fix in the small car models, these are recommendable lights to get. Each light measures 3 inches but still provides long and broader illumination on the roads. Controlling these pod lights can be done using a remote or sync with your smartphone to control them. The unique feature found of these pod lights is the dual functions. Meaning, you can use them as an RGB chasing halo or plain white lights. At number 1, LINZ Side Shooter LED Pods 4-inch 204 WIP68 LED. Featuring a high power output of 3,204 watts, these pod lights can generate a brightness level of up to 6,000 lumens. They are pod lights you can install even on rainy days since they have waterproof materials resistant to water damages. The cases also have strong materials resistant to all weather elements to prolong up to 50,000 hours. These pod lights are compatible with all vehicles, including boats, trains, and even road buggies, when it comes to installation. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.